What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. I hope everyone had a good Christmas for those who celebrate it, and also have a good Boxing Day. Alright? So today, guys, we are doing Unknown P Daily Duppy. I think he's like a pasha version of the drill rappers them. In the UK are doing thing. It goes viral a lot of times. I see him do a thing for Chip. When Chip this stands in the petrol station, at the gas station, him done something as well, but I didn't really react to it. But this one, the views are climbing, so I'm gonna say why not? Let's just jump straight to this without further delay. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Alright guys, alright. We're here now. Yes indeed now. We're here now. So let's do it.
What in the bumba? A middle-class Daily Duppy? I don't believe it. Mildred, pop open the chloe, would you?
Guys, I'm gonna be pausing every 10 seconds. Guys. Let me put my seat up a bit. I'm gonna be pausing every 10 seconds, guys. The man said, what in the bumba? This is a middle-class Daily... Yo, let's go, guys. We're breaking down. Let's go.
I haven't been this excited since Crufts in 2008. Unknown P. I copped to...
When just say, he hasn't been this excited since Craft 2008. Craft at the dog show, right? Where the dog them, different dogs, them do them thing and show off them skills, and the best, and not first place get a prize, second place and third place get a prize. I think.
Unknown P. I copped a yacht in the sail, running down ops, chefing up quails.
I copped a yacht in the sail, running down ups, chefing up Yale at the bird, where the hunters them in the UK hunt and eat and thing. Oh, this is gonna be mad fun.
Never chase females because it just gets long like 𝐂𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 nails. If you point the finger.
What diggity? Yeah. Never chase females because you just get long like 𝐂𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 nails. 𝐂𝐂𝐃𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐿, the man, yo.
Chefing up quails. Never chase females because it just gets long like 𝐂𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 nails. If you point the finger like E.T., I'm spraying up rats like bang.
Oh, yo. I'm gonna try not to swear in this one. Oh. Yo, this guy, man.
Just because I got the ting pressed to his chest like a GP. Stick 'em up. I make more peas than a doctor, and I'm sat front row in a box at the opera.
He's really posh. He make more pee than a doctor. And him sat front row at the opera. The opera, I want thing in the opera. You know what opera is, man? Sure. But him say him have the thing pressed to them chest like a doctor. You get it? The thing what the doctor use, you get it? Yeah.
When you ting Priya, cause man pre her like her last name's Chopra. She's working class but peng though. I switch up girls Nintendo.
Nintendo Switch. I should check out Nintendo. Yo, this guy's talented, man.
She stays a night but I make her leave in the AM skengdo. I'm a
that what I said, can leave AM's kingdom. Yo, this guy, man. Yo, Unknown P, be yourself, no man. Sure, I know that. Like this is what. Oh god, this is funny as hell, man. This is funny.
Middle class shotter. Man was hot, but Percy's hotter. Now hand me your paper, or I'll raise this one like Potter.
On me a paper. The Unknown P. Does it stand for Peter? Does it stand for Peter? Unknown Peter. He's got
private school, I speak proper. And you know I've inherited billions. So I've got more pounds and pounds, and I've got more millies and millions.
They got more pounds and pounds, got more millions and millions. Yo, la.
Champagne chugger. You came to the rave in a tracksuit. I'm dressed like a GQ cover, and I'm in the pocket like a mugger.
Oh yeah. Oh, God, man. Oh, my jeez.
I pay for a 10-course meal. I could never go Dutch like Steflon's brother. I leave a tip, arrive on a horse, and leave in a whip. How many?
Yo, this is not a reaction. This is not a breakdown. This is just laughing, bro. This is just laughing, dog. Like, seriously, this is just laughing, brother. Seriously. Yo, me can't deal with it.
Times did I bunk off Latin to run a man down in Clapham? Had to give man the London look. Had to leave man's teeth with a gap in.
I mean, my talk. My teeth have gap. Hey, how me attack, boy? I know, P. Know yourself, brother. Know yourself, dog. Yo, Jano, hear the fact again.
Down in Clapham, had to give man the London look. Had to leave man's teeth with a gap in. Dr. Seuss, when I'm in the booth, man, them think that my hat's got a cat in.
Yo, I'm done enough. I'm not doing this. It's Boxing Day today for me. I'm not doing this, man.
Got stopped in whopping because the feds thought that my coat had a whapping. Your hairline looks like a monk's. I got a king size, you're on bunks. I got
Yeah, that look like a monk. Me have the king size in the fan bunk bed. You know for my level. Easy, go back there on the top. Yo. I'm crying, bro.
got horses, female ones. Man's got fillies like chunks. Back out the shonk like trunks. Mayfair for the pengus munch.
Oh, good.
I would never go Greg's by choice. The only rolls this man knows is a Royce.
I would never go Greg's by choice. The only rolls this man know is is in Rolls Royce. Greg's are the sandwich shop in the UK where sell them sausage roll and them little sandwiches and stuff like that.
If in doubt, just drill it. I got sea bass in my skillet. Both hands on the wheel of the whip. Don't want to crash like Prince Philip.
He's taking his piss. He's taking his piss. I'm sorry, guys. He's taking the piss. He's taking the piss, people. Yo.
Both hands on the wheel of the whip. Don't want to crash like Prince Philip. I'm a savage. I put a fox in a Rizzler and then bill it.
Yo, the Prince Philip line, I kill me, dog. Prince Philip, kill me, dog. I don't want to crash like Prince Philip, but you know, sir, Prince Philip, but he didn't crash, dog. Yo, Prince Philip crashed there, dog. Him say his son, him and a driver, this son is there. Lie, Mattel, he's not supposed to be driving. Man, 143-year-old to rot it, and him still a drive. Go sit down here, Prince.
And the stakes are high because I'm in the shard eating fillet.
Shout out to London. In India eats fillet.
Big up Felix, big up Monty. How many nights did we spend in the bando reading Emily Bronte?
How many nights did we spend in the bando reading? He's not chopping that theme bando. He is not chopping it in his bando, guys. He's not doing it.
Whipping up white in the Arga. Now man's got a mansion. I'm a black man in a White House Obama. Only got one coat because unknown P never cheats on his barber.
Only have one coat because unknown P never cheat on his barber. Can somebody in the comment section explain that bar there for me, please? I don't get the bar. Can you explain that for me, please?
No, man. Got more creps than Conan. Walking on airs, I'm the snowman. Powerful father, Gohan.
Powerful father, Gohan. I need to start watching back Dragon Ball Z again, man. I haven't watched Dragon Ball Z for a long time. Oh, got more creps than Conan. Creps than Conan.
I'm a toff. Pushing your buttons, Charlie Sloth. I'm on the throne, sitting alone like a man with a cough.
Sitting alone like a man with a cough. We get that. Corona, when you cough, people say you have corona. He's sitting alone like a man with a cough. I must ever push more button than Charlie start. You know Charlie start. Come bring it again, man. That was fire, man. Man, you let me speak this, man. That's what Charlie Staff says. So Charlie Staff always pressing the button. Yo, fire. Is he wink? Yo. Yo, he never even walk off. He just stayed there. He didn't even move. Yo, I don't feel big of a friggin' self, dog. Big up yourself. Guys, if you like this, well, I don't know what to say, yo. This is funny as hell. I had a real nice laugh. Thank you for putting a big smile on my face to them and P. I really appreciate it. Guys, enjoy the holidays. Be good. Also, guys, quick thing. So, the company that build my gaming PC for me is based in the UK. So, them reach out to me. Them said to me, say, listen, if you're in the UK and you would like to enter a raffle to win a brand new gaming PC, even much more powerful than my one, I'm not happy about that. He said I should put it on my gaming channel and advertise, which I did. People are voting, but most of the people that is voting is in Jamaica. Him say him can't afford to ship to Jamaica or America or anywhere else. It had to be in the UK because that's where he's based, in the UK. So guys, if you want the chance to win a brand new gaming PC, even if you're not into gaming, and you know someone that's into gaming, or one of your kids or one of your family members is into gaming, they can have the PC. So he wants to know how much people watches the gaming channel that is in there. So if you haven't subscribed to the gaming channel yet, go over to the link is gonna be in the description below. Go and subscribe to the gaming channel and cast your vote. Cast your vote right there, guys. I put up a post last night about it. So look in the community tab and cast your vote right there. To state which country you are in, and the more people that's in the UK, it's better because the raffle will go on. If not, then he said no. But he just want to give away a PC to say, on the behalf of me and him, giving away a PC to say thank you to people who subscribe to the channel. So guys, if you need a chance to do that, just go over to the gaming channel and subscribe and vote on the panel that I put up last night. So guys, have a good and productive day. If you can't be good, be lucky. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't offend anybody by saying anything crazy. Alright? Have a good holiday. Peace.